My number one value was, how do I make more money? Your brain is a computer, and if you ask it bad questions, it gives you some bad answers.
The real-life Wolf of Wall Street, live and unleashed.
I was a natural-born salesperson, buying and selling and trading the ingenuity of others. The culture was bankrupt at its core. Everyone was in on it. When you make money so fast on Wall Street, you don't really build anything. How do you put value on what you're doing? Money is the only barometer of what you're doing, so you have to buy something to make it real. Once I get rich and I get powerful, then I'll feel good. And then, I still feel the same way inside. What do I do now? I was on 22 different drugs at the end, and I thought it was normal. Your values don't really change that easily, unless a disaster happens. When you go to jail, it's like losing the game of life, losing my money, my freedom, my self-respect. In retrospect now, getting caught and forcing to re-examine my values and forcing to come back has allowed me to help people all over the world. It's allowed me to really build a business that I love. Also, for my own kids to see that, they watch their father lose everything and not give up and come back and do it right. You're capable of pushing yourself more, of showing up when you have to. So much is in your head. You can train yourself to be someone. I want to be known as someone that always shows up. That's my secret.